How to pay for hotels on Agoda app. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to pay for hotels using Agoda app, these are the methods you can follow up in order to do so. So for that, you can open up your Agoda app and head over to the hotel section and then go ahead and locate up a room for yourself. So you can go ahead and go to the booking section and select everything like for how much people the room is and everything. You can use the search bar in order to search for it. Once that is done, once you find out your hotel, you can add it to your cart, or you can start and everything, or you can directly contact the property also. Once that is done, you can add it to cart, like this option that says add to cart. And in order to go ahead and pay for it, you can go to the cart section, and once that is done, you can go ahead and tap on next and go on with the payment method, and you should be able to book your hotel. So you can also pay later at the hotel, but if you want to book using the app, you can follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.